Picture this. Ancient Rome, a city of over 1 million people bustling with life. Imagine the sheer scale of it, the vibrancy, the energy that flowed through its streets. This was a city that never slept, a metropolis that was always on the move. The streets teem with merchants, chariots rumble over stone roads, and grand monuments reach for the sky. The hustle and bustle of daily life is palpable. You can almost hear the clatter of hooves, the shouts of vendors, and the murmur of countless conversations. The grandeur of the Roman architecture, with its towering columns and intricate carvings, stands as a testament to the city's glory. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what powered this ancient metropolis? What was the driving force behind its incredible achievements? How did they manage to sustain such a large population and maintain such a high level of activity? How did they light their homes, build their structures, and feed their population without the technologies we take for granted today? Imagine a world without electricity, without modern machinery, without the conveniences of contemporary life. Yet the Romans thrived. They lit their homes with oil lamps, casting a warm, flickering glow that illuminated their evenings. They built magnificent structures with primitive tools, relying on sheer human ingenuity and labor. Their agricultural practices, though ancient, were sophisticated enough to feed a burgeoning population. The answer lies in their ingenious use of natural resources. The Romans were masters of harnessing the power of nature. They built extensive aqueducts to transport water from distant sources, ensuring a steady supply for their cities. Watermills were used to grind grain, providing a crucial food source. They utilized the natural landscape to their advantage, creating a sustainable system that supported their way of life. Their ability to innovate and adapt was key to their success, making ancient Rome a true city built on energy. Ancient Rome faced a challenge: how to sustain a vast empire without electricity or fossil fuels. Imagine a world without cars, trains, or power plants. Every task, from grinding grain to transporting goods, relied on human ingenuity and the power of nature. The Romans, however, were masters of innovation. They found brilliant ways to harness the energy of water, muscle, and fire to power their civilization. One of Rome's greatest feats of engineering was its intricate network of aqueducts. These marvels of ancient technology weren't just about delivering fresh water. They were also a source of power. The Romans built watermills, ingenious contraptions that used the flow of water to grind grain, power sawmills, and even lift heavy objects. Imagine the sound of rushing water turning massive stones, providing the energy for daily life. Of course, not every task could be powered by water. The Romans relied heavily on the muscle power of both humans and animals. Slaves, unfortunately, played a significant role in Roman society, providing the labor for construction, agriculture, and transportation. Animals like oxen, donkeys, and horses were also essential, pulling carts, plowing fields, and transporting goods across the empire. Section 5. Burning for power, wood and fire in Rome. Fire, the most ancient source of energy, was crucial to Roman life. Wood was the primary fuel, used for everything from heating homes and cooking food to firing pottery kilns and forging metal. The Roman army, renowned for its might, relied heavily on fire for military purposes, using it to build siege weapons and destroy enemy fortifications. Section 6. Echoes of Rome, Ancient Practices, Modern Lessons. Though separated by millennia, ancient Rome offers valuable lessons for our modern world. Their reliance on renewable resources like water and wood reminds us of the importance of sustainable practices. While we've made significant technological advancements, the principles of harnessing natural forces remain relevant in our quest for cleaner and more sustainable energy solutions. Section 7. Fun Facts: Ancient Rome's Energy Secrets. Did you know that the largest Roman aqueduct, the Aqua Marcia, could carry enough water to fill the Rose Bowl in just a few hours? This engineering marvel, constructed in 144 BC, stretched over 91 kilometers and was a testament to the Romans' advanced understanding of hydraulics and civil engineering. The Aqua Marcia was not just a water supply system, it was a lifeline for the city, providing fresh water for drinking, bathing, and irrigation. The aqueduct's ability to transport such a vast quantity of water was crucial for sustaining the large population of Rome, which at its peak was over 1 million people. The construction of the Aqua Marcia involved precise calculations and the use of durable materials like stone and concrete, which have allowed parts of it to survive to this day. The aqueduct's route was carefully planned to maintain a gentle gradient, ensuring a steady flow of water from the source to the city. This remarkable feat of engineering highlights the Romans' ability to solve complex problems and their commitment to improving urban life. Or that the Colosseum, the iconic amphitheater, had a complex system of underground canals and elevators, powered by human and animal labor. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, was inaugurated in AD 80 and could hold up to 50,000 spectators. Beneath its arena floor lay a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers known as the Hippodrome. This underground network housed gladiators, wild animals, and stage machinery. The Hippodrome's canals were used to flood the arena for mock naval battles, showcasing the Romans' ability to manipulate water for entertainment purposes. The elevators, operated by a system of pulleys and winches, allowed for dramatic entrances of gladiators and animals, adding to the spectacle of the games. These mechanisms required precise coordination and immense physical effort, often involving teams of slaves and animals. The Colosseum's design and engineering were so advanced that it influenced the construction of modern stadiums. Its ability to host a variety of events, from gladiatorial combats to theatrical performances, made it a versatile and enduring symbol of Roman ingenuity. These fascinating facts offer a glimpse into the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the ancient Romans. Their achievements in engineering and architecture were not just limited to aqueducts and amphitheaters. The Romans also developed sophisticated road networks, bridges, and public baths, all of which contributed to the prosperity and cohesion of their empire. Their use of concrete, a material they perfected, allowed them to construct durable and monumental structures that have stood the test of time. The Pantheon, with its massive dome, and the Roman Forum, the heart of political life, are just a few examples of their architectural prowess. The Romans' ability to innovate and adapt their engineering techniques to different challenges set them apart from other ancient civilizations. Their legacy continues to inspire modern engineers and architects, reminding us of the enduring impact of their contributions to human progress. Section 8. Conclusion. Lessons from the past, powering the future. As we marvel at the achievements of ancient Rome, we are transported back to a time when human ingenuity was at its peak. The Romans, with their vast empire, were pioneers in many fields, from engineering to governance. Their legacy is not just in the ruins we see today, but in the principles and innovations that continue to influence our modern world. We're reminded that even without modern technology, the Romans achieved feats that still boggle the mind. Their aqueducts, roads, and buildings were constructed with precision and skill that rival today's standards. They understood the importance of infrastructure and how it could enhance the quality of life for their citizens. Humans are capable of incredible feats of engineering and innovation. The Roman aqueducts, for instance, were a marvel of engineering, transporting water over long distances to supply cities and towns. Their roads connected the vast empire, facilitating trade, communication, and military movements. These achievements were not just about technical skill, but also about vision and planning. By understanding how the Romans harnessed the power of nature, we can draw inspiration for our own energy future. The Romans used water mills to grind grain, demonstrating an early understanding of renewable energy sources. They harnessed the power of water to perform tasks that would have been labor-intensive and time-consuming otherwise. Today we face our own challenges with energy. As we look to renewable sources like wind and solar power, we can take a page from the Roman playbook. They showed us that with creativity and determination, we can find solutions that are both effective and sustainable. Our modern wind turbines and solar panels are the descendants of Roman ingenuity, adapted to meet the needs of our time. Let's learn from the past and strive for a world where sustainable energy powers our cities and fuels our progress. By embracing the lessons of history, we can build a future that honors the achievements of those who came before us while forging a path toward a more sustainable and prosperous world. The legacy of ancient Rome is a testament to what humanity can achieve, and it serves as a guiding light as we navigate the challenges of our own era.